Hi, my name is Leona. I am a public adjuster, also known as a homeowner's advocate. I am licensed in 10 states to help you, the homeowner and business owner, when you may have a damage to your home or property. Metro Public Adjustment Policy Coverage Review Presentation. Metro Public Adjustment is one of the largest public adjusting firms in the United States. We were founded in December of 1993. We are veteran owned, we operate nationally, and we are a founding member of AAPIA, American Association of Public Insurance Adjusters. Metro has been in business for 30 years, licensed by the Departments of Insurance in 47 states and the District of Columbia, in the most heavily regulated industry in the United States. And we have an A plus rating with the Better Business Bureau. My goal is to educate you on how an insurance policy provides coverage, the dangers of handling your own claim, and to show you the options you have before you file a claim, how you can obtain money for damage in your property. You can take a moment and scan this QR code if you like. It'll take you to a short survey with some valuable information. Do you know what is covered under your policy? How much coverage do you have? What is your deductible? What happens to your insurance if you file a claim? If you find this information valuable, would you consider giving me a referral? I'm going to back up here a moment to what happens to your insurance if you file a claim. Nothing. Uh, your homeowner's your homeowner's insurance is like medical coverage for your home. Do you use your health insurance when you go to the doctor? Most people do, and they don't worry about it. Well, your homeowner's insurance is medical coverage for your home. You pay for it, so therefore you are entitled to use it. And it doesn't have to be a big amount of damage. And in most cases, the smaller the damage, the higher the payout. Insurance companies work hard to keep your money in their bank. They have adjusters looking out for their interest, but who is looking out for yours? When you have a claim and you call your insurance company, they are going to send out an adjuster. That adjuster works for the insurance company, not for you, and their job is to pay you as little as possible, even if it means denying the claim. We found that most insurance claims are very much underpaid. Homeowners need an advocate, someone who is going to stand up for them, and that is where public adjusters come in. We handle your claim from start to finish, and you never even have to speak to your insurance company if you do not want to. We do it all from A all the way to B. We help home and business owners when they have damage to their property. Through professional representation, we make sure the insurance companies treat you fairly and, more importantly, pay you fairly. This is an example of a typical claim. During a storm, the homeowner noticed water leaking into the bedroom and then into the dining room below. Later, they noticed shingles missing from the roof. The homeowner cleaned up the water themselves. As you can see, because of the missing shingles, it has caused water damage on the inside, and it has leaked from the roof onto the ceiling and then onto the floor. All right, you see this lifted tile here, or uh, laminate flooring. They're going to try to just replace that one piece. They cannot do that. They have to replace the whole entire floor and any floor connected to that floor. They cannot just replace that one piece. This is how the insurance company can view a claim. All right. Minimum roof repair for missing shingles. They're going to want to try to just patch that, and they don't care if it's mismatch or whatnot. They can't do that though, unless you agree to it. Bedroom drywall repair minimum charge. Tape and protect the fan. Spot seal paint ceiling. One coat. Clean and deodorize the carpet. Dining room appearance allowance for slight cupping of wood floor in dining room. Spot seal and paint walls and ceilings. One coat. And that is how your insurance company will want to pay you if they pay you at all. Seven items. Met with Metro, we Metro's Field Adjusters prepares a complete estimate showing the full extent of damages, proper roof evaluation, and the mismatching of the roof required replacement of 2,800 square foot of shingles. They have to replace the whole entire roof. Even if you've got two shingles here missing, they have to replace everything. They just can't replace those two shingles, although they're going to try to. In the bedroom, replace wet insulation. You can't leave wet insulation in your ceiling because insulation does not dry. So, therefore, it's just going to do nothing but cause more problems over time if it's not replaced. Detach and reset the ceiling fan, replace affected drywall, seal and paint walls and ceilings of bedroom, two coats. Replace carpet due to delamination of the backing, manipulation of heavy bedroom furniture. That means they'll move everything out of your bedroom and replace your flooring, your carpet, your hardwood, whatever. Dining room, replace affected drywall, detach, reset, and repaint crown molding. Spot seal walls and ceiling, paint walls and ceiling, two coats. Repair hardwood floor, sand and finish hardwood floors, replace shoe molding. Paint baseboard, paint shoe molding, paint door and window trim. Remove and reset the drapes, pack and store china, and move dining room furniture. In the living room, sand, stain, and finish hardwood continuous floors. Replace shoe molding and paint baseboard and shoe molding. In general, piano reset and return. Dust protection throughout the whole entire home. Debris removal, dumpster, porta potty. Additional living expenses as upstairs and kitchen is inaccessible due to the floor refinishing. So that's 26 items that Metro can get you paid for compared to the 7 items that the insurance company is going to try to pay you for if they even try to pay you. So, do you want what you can get A or what Metro can get you B? The Wall Street Journal magazine of personal business, smart money, what to do when your insurer won't pay. Roughly 80% of policyholders accept its damage appraisals without seeking an independent opinion. Those 80% get only 25 to 40 cents on the dollar. How effective are public adjusters? Policyholders who used public adjusters received an estimated $9,379 on their claim compared to the $1,391 for those policyholders that did not use a public adjuster. That's a difference of 574%. These are actual claims that Metro has reopened. This one was a Pentecostal church Philadelphia Insurance Company, and they had wind damage. The insurance company denied the claim. Metro reopened that claim and got the Pentecostal church $187,338.91. Here's another one, farmer's insurance. The client had hail damage. Farmers paid the homeowner $2,556.79. Metro reopened that claim and got the homeowner an additional $11,000, 497 and 45 cents. That's a difference of 450%. Here's another hail damage, and Allstate was the insurance company. Allstate paid the homeowner $370.85. Metro reopened that claim and got the homeowner an additional $11,538.70. That is a difference of 3,118%. Here's another one. Accidental discharge of water. State Farm was the insurance company. State Farm paid the homeowner $4,938.16. Metro reopened the claim and got them an additional $22,259.55. It's a difference of 450%. Metro has served hundreds of thousands of clients. We are proud of our 99.7% claims handling satisfaction rate, residential and commercial. Damage that is covered. Typical all risk policy covers fire, smoke, lightning, and explosion. Ice damming, weight of ice and snow, collapse, vehicle cars runs through the house. You can see the weight of all this snow and ice on the roof is making it collapse. You can see that here. Windstorm. Tree blown into house, shingles blown off, siding blown off, rainstorm, roof leaks and skylights. Hey, you see the missing siding on the house here? Well, if the insurance company cannot find the exact match for that siding, they cannot just replace that little bit. They have to replace all the siding on your home, every side, not just the one. You see the skylight is leaking here, totally covered. Melted siding, lifted shingles, siding damage, and burned carpet. Say you got a fireplace, and I know I like an outdoor fire, and sometimes you just throw that piece of wood on there that likes to snap, crackle, and pop, and just throws embers everywhere. Well, if that happens in your home and it lands on the carpet, they have to replace all the carpet. They can't not just patch that. They have to replace it. Siding damage. Say you're outside mowing your yard and there's something laying there that you didn't see, and your lawnmower blades pick it up and it throws it up again the house, and puts a hole in your siding or cracks your siding or whatever. Again, they have, if they cannot find an exact match, they have to replace all the siding on your home. They cannot just replace that one piece. Lifted shingles. When your shingles are lifting, it's time for a new roof, and Metro can get you paid for that. Water through the window. You can see the water damage here in these photos, and down the wall as well. Totally covered. Smoke damage. Say you've got a fireplace or an indoor wood burner, and you forget to open up the flue, and all that smoke comes in. Everything in your home has to be replaced because you cannot get rid of the smoke. Water that enters the house from the ground or higher. Paint overspray. Say you're painting your deck or your porch and you accidentally get paint on your siding. Again, if they cannot find the exact match, they have to replace all the siding on your home. Totally covered. Roof leaking. You can see the water damage in this one here. Water through the window. You can see where the water had been leaking down the side there. Totally covered. Hailstorm and hail damage to the roof. You see all these dark spots on the shingles? That's hail damage, and they have to replace the whole entire roof. They cannot just replace those shingles because of these are bruises from the hail, and therefore your shingles are not no good anymore. They have to replace them all. Hail, tornado, and hurricanes all covered. Water leaks from the following: toilet, sink or tub, dishwasher, ice maker, washing machine, water heater, sewer backup, pipe breaks, drain lines, and frozen pipes. Toilet overflow. Do you know that if your toilet overflows, they have to replace the floor, the walls, everything in your bathroom because of the contamination from the toilet? You can't get rid of it any other way. You have to replace everything. Water leaking under the sink. You see these dark spots under the sink here? They have to your insurance company has to replace all your cabinets, all of them, uh, because of the water damage from your sink. They owe you all new cabinets. Ice and snow, burglary, all covered. Theft and vandalism, graffiti, eggs on the siding, and tenant vandalism. All these things are covered under your homeowner's policy, and a lot of homeowners have no idea. Common losses: flooring damage, hardwood, laminate, and carpet. Again, um, the right side photo here, where the laminate flooring is peeling up, they have to replace the whole entire floor and any floor connected to that floor. They cannot just replace those few pieces. And here's your carpet. The backing is gone, so therefore they have to replace all the carpeting and any floor that has carpet connected to that floor. They have to replace it. You see, here's a couple that's dancing and she drops her glass, scratches the floor. Again, they have to replace the whole entire floor, not just the couple pieces here that she scratched up. Common losses we represent: additional damages, even if caused by the homeowner. Spilled bleach, you can see the spilled bleach up here. Cracked tile. You can see the cracked tile, melted siding from grilling, mold, code upgrades, and yes, even acts of God are covered under your homeowner's insurance policy. Get Claim Smart. Now, this is what you get free of charge if you decide to use um, a public adjuster. Uh, our free Smart Claim membership includes free policy review and property inspection, weekly Smart Claim tips, 24/7 emergency claim service, unlimited communication by text, email, or phone, prevent the risk of claim denials, and annual policy review. That means on every renewal, you should contact me or another public adjuster to have them review your policy to make sure that your insurance company hasn't thrown any small print in there that you wasn't expecting. I mean, that they can raise your deductible without you knowing it. They can add exclusions, that they can do all that without you even knowing it. That's why it is important to have an annual policy review. Every time your insurance policy renews, you need to have it reviewed to make sure you are insured correctly. Metro donates to all of these charities. Send a net, save a life, operating enduring warrior, a National Multiple Sclerosis Society, Plant Trees Change Lives, and Feeding America, and many, many more. Industry fees. We represent clients on a percentage fee basis. Large catastrophic commercial or fire losses fee is 10%. Small losses, the fee is equals 35%. But that's only for some states. Georgia is only 33%, Texas is 10%. So each state is a little different on the fee that Metro is able to charge. We don't charge the client unless the claim is paid, and we never take a fee on the deductible, meaning your deductible always comes out the top end, and then Metro takes their fee after your deductible has been taken. Referrals. Would you agree the information that I presented to you is valuable? Would you consider allowing us to provide this information to your family, friends, and neighbors? And if you know anyone that's looking for a career opportunity, send them my way. I can hook them up. And that is the end. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. You can feel free to contact me to set up a review of your policy just to make sure that you are covered correctly, or if you have a claim, or if you've got a past claim, feel free to contact me and we'll see what we can do about it. Thank you.